Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm going to be installing some grills from the Radiator Grille Store. You're supposed to just be able to slip them in to your bumper without having to remove it, but I already have the bumper off, so I'm just going to put them in. Okay, so here's one of them. They come with zip ties pre-installed so that the zip ties fix on the stock grill supports and are as hidden as possible, though they'll never be truly hidden. But let's go ahead and get these installed. You're supposed to be able to just install these by slipping them through the stock grill, which in this case I would assume would be something like this. And then you just kind of grab it like this while trying to avoid the radiator. And then it would fit something like this. Alright. But again, since I have the bumper off, I'm just going to do it from the backside. Make things easier. So it should just fit something like this. So it fits really well. So let's go get these zip ties through. See, this zip tie is gonna go something like this here. Looks pretty good, other than the fact that it uses zip ties. So let's get these guys snipped. Again, not a big fan of the zip ties, but you know, it works. I might add another one up here just for funsies. Okay. That's good and pretty secure. This one in here too. Okay, pretty good. Again, not a fan of the zip ties, but you know, from 10 feet away, you can't even tell. Cool. So those radiator grills actually look really good. And again, you can't quite tell that there's zip ties there. Yeah, those look awesome. Here's the radiator grills. Those look really good. So I've had the grills on for a couple of years now. You know, seen plenty of track time, and they seem to be doing a pretty good job keeping all the leaves and debris out. You know, there's still a few things that are getting in, you know, some bugs and stuff, but overall it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So that wraps up the video, guys. So obviously it's been some time since I've installed the grills, and I've been running them for, I don't know, a couple of years now. They seem to be doing a pretty good job keeping all the leaves and debris out from, you know, behind the bumper. So I think they're definitely worth having, not only to protect your radiators, but to just keep all the junk and stuff away from it, keep it clean, make sure it's doing its job, keeping the car cool. So I bought them for, I think, $65, but I have seen, you know, 10% off promotional codes and stuff, and obviously during Black Friday they're cheaper. So you can get them on sale for a few bucks cheaper, but for $65 plus shipping, you know, you can't really find them anywhere else. There's a few other brands, I think, like Zunsport, I think is what it's called. You know, they exist, but they're like $150 or something like that. So obviously the Radiator Grille Store stuff is significantly cheaper, and it gets the job done. I definitely wouldn't worry about using the pre-installed zip ties. Obviously I installed mine with the bumper already off, which made things a whole lot easier, but you should be able to just slide those radiator grills in between the little slats on the stock, you know, fog light grills. But you're definitely gonna have a hard time if you keep those zip ties in. So, you know, don't even worry about it. Just take those zip ties off. It's pretty straightforward install. You know, you might have to use some needle nose pliers to get everything positioned, but yeah, you should be able to just place your own zip ties wherever you see fit. That way you won't have any gaps, like as you saw with my car. And again, the zip ties aren't the ideal option, but there isn't really a lot else you could do, you know, that's easy to install. So like I said in the video, you can't really tell that they're there unless you're like getting right up close, but from a few feet away you can't even tell they're there. But yeah, pretty solid product for $65. Can't really go wrong with it. Like I said, it's definitely worth the money for that added protection. But anyways, hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.